And ladies and gentlemen, presenting Mr. Salman Khan.
खुशखबरी ऐसी मिली है, उछलने लगे हम हवा में, उड़ी हुई दिल की तमन्ना, बड़ा ही असर था दुआ में। बंधन के बाल बना के, जूता पॉलिश करवा के, नाचेंगे हम ताता भैया सजन रेडियो।
The director of the film, Mr. Kabir Khan, Sohail Khan, Rhythm. Such a long time that you both shared screen space together in a film. जो पहले की यादें हैं and जो अब इस बार जो memories create हुई हैं, he's changed
our
so
last
much.
film together was Got to See Greato. So whatever we do after that would have been magical, and fortunately we got Tube Light to do.
Kabir, I have to ask you this question. From the time the first song debuted, and Pritam da ye bhi, every song has one signature step जो सबसे ज़्यादा बच्चे जो हैं उसमें नाचते हैं and they copy that. Conscious decision or it just happens?
Obviously there's something called the hook step which everybody does try and get in their songs, but with Salman there's always been an attempt that, you know, Salman also believes that it should be a step that a child can dance to and can copy, because that's when they can truly enjoy that song. So it is, and also in this the character is simple. Jassi is definitely not going to do any great moves. He will do simple moves. So I think in a certain sense it comes organically into the film like that.
So you're an award-winning choreographer now. Did you choreograph this step also?
Rubbish is that. वो वैभवी यार.
ये step किसने किया? ये जो main step है the radio.
Remo ने दिखाया कुछ और हुआ कुछ और, and I thought that I'm doing exactly like what how Remo was showing me. So आप हंसो मत, बाकी गाने अभी तक देने हैं आपको. पिक्चर रिलीज हो रही है, 3 गाने अभी तक आए नहीं.
प्रीतम दा, your turn now.
दादा एक दिन बात कर रहे थे फोन पे.
Yes, please, we need to. ये कहानी पता है.
So दादा एक दिन फोन पे बात कर रहे हैं. अब किसी से बात कर रहे होंगे तो उन्होंने एक मकड़ी देखी और कैटरपिलर देखा. तो दादा being this, you know, musical person, very soft, tender, तो उन्होंने वो कैटरपिलर को ऐसा लिया और बात करते करते उन्होंने फोन फेंक दिया बालकनी से. ये फेंकना था. उन्होंने फोन फेंक दिया.
Is it the toughest to compose for him because his songs, the larger than life personality, इनके गाने में भी वो झलकना चाहिए? Is it the toughest to make a song Salman Khan?
सिक्योरिटी रहता है कि कुछ भी गाना बनाओ, आफ्टर ही एक्ट्स इन इट विल बी अ हिट. सो उसका कोई है, बट ये मूवी बहुत बिकॉज द कैरेक्टर्स आर लाइक दैट, इट्स बेस्ड इन द 60s, सो वो सब रेस्ट्रिक्शन रहता है विद दैट. तो वो सब माइंड में रख के गाना बनाने में ऑब्वियस थोड़ा सा इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट यू कैन पुट एनी आइटम सॉन्ग और एनीथिंग, लाइक यू हैव टू कीप एवरी कैरेक्टर इन माइंड, द सिचुएशन इन माइंड.
So every single time I think आपका जब नाम कोई पुकारता है, आपकी मॉम का नाम भी उस नाम में है. She's a lucky charm for you, and इसमें भी she's a producer. You showed her the trailer. What was her first reaction जब फिल्म बन गई? क्या बोला उन्होंने कि?
I think Amar showed her the trailer yesterday.
उन्होंने भी पहली बार कल ही देखा?
Yeah, so she saw it yesterday. Actually, the whole family saw it yesterday in the afternoon, and it was remarkable because she said something really sweet. She said, "I pray a lot before Salman's films come, but now because this one has Sohail as well, the prayers are going to be, you know, twice as much."
She has to for me. She's got no reason to pray for him. She has to pray for me.
But it's been such a long time that you both have been together.
You mad? I needed more than all you guys put together.
आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं? आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हैं आप?
ऐसे ही बोल रहा हूँ भाई.